Yes. I bring greetings to you all. Depends on the country you are, the environment, your environment. So I am in Germany, so it's already evening here. So I bring greetings to you all. I greet you all. Good evenings to you, my brothers and sisters living here in Germany, or those living in other countries. So whatever time it is there, so greetings to you all. Please, this is a new platform. Please, by supporting your brother, your friends, your colleague, please, you just have to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's a new platform. Please, that is the only way you can support me. Please support me by subscribing to this YouTube channel, or you can follow me on my Facebook page, Frank Overcity. Frank Overcity. So the name is already written on the screen. You can see the names on the screen. My Instagram, my Facebook page. So on this YouTube, the name is Frank Overcity, which is this very particular channel, this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. You can press the notification button so that you can get more video, you can get notification and be alert for more video that will be coming from me. So I have a lot of things, a lot of video to be uploading on this channel. Please support me, because if one person is watching this video, it doesn't make sense. This video can still help a lot of our brothers and sisters there. So this program is made for my Africa's brothers, not only one particular Africa country, but all Africa countries. All my brothers and sisters that are living here in Germany, some are finding it difficult to stay here in Germany. They have different problems. So we are here to bring our opinion, to help our brothers who are in trouble. So your advice can help 20 people. Your 10 minutes talk or your 1 minute talk can help other people. So please, let us come together on this platform so that we can encourage our own. So we know a lot of things is going on here in this Germany. So here is not our country. This program is just made for our African brothers and sisters. So I will be bringing to you somebody special today. Somebody special. It's my brother, it's my friend, it's my everything. So he's also living here in Germany. He also have a lot of experience here in Germany. So he also is going to be giving us his own opinion. I'm going to be asking me some questions. Please share this video. Don't mind my English, it's not my mother's tongue. So anyhow, we see and we talk so far make una understand what we talk. Thank you very much. I will be inviting my friend in, so he's a special somebody. Thank you, bro. You are welcome to the show. Please introduce yourself to our viewers.
So my name is Kelly Stone. I don't know the kind of question we want to ask me, sure. You know, guy, they be. I would love to speak my pidgin English with Asabi. You understand? I love it, my guy. Please, you talk about Africa. All Africa, I beg you in the name of God. Try, make you understand my pidgin English. Very sweet. You understand? I love it. You understand? Try to listen to one question we want to ask. If you are watching me in the first place, first time, please try, may you watch this program finish till the end. You will gain something inside. I promise you. I don't know the kind of question you want to ask, but I believe you will gain something from the wise one. Can the stone they talk? Listen. I'm still listening. Let it give me a question. I'm here.
Yes. Thank you very much, my brother.
I did.
Wait, the first question when I want to ask,
bro.
You know, they go on for social media. People they complain. People they talk. I don't feel blame those people where wey dey talk negative aspect about this country, and I no fit see blame people wey be say that they give their own testimony say this country sweet. Everybody no be the same. Your luck and my luck no be the same. So bro, I want to ask you, what is your own opinion concerning all these things those people they say concerning this country? So they say this country, the asylum procedure is very tight and very difficult, that the system of this country concerning asylum procedure is like they don't really like African people to stay in this country, that this country is very difficult for asylum procedure. So what is your own opinion to say concerning this issue?
Because you know what, answer your question when I don't understand. You see, many people they complain about Jamie.
Yeah.
And many people they enjoy the talk
This
good
one,
about
yeah,
Jamie.
exactly.
The good one you want me to talk about, but the bad one you want me to talk about.
It's just the two aspects. First, you just need to give your own opinion about what is going on in this country. At least you have been in this country for some time now. You see, a lot of people are saying in this country, the asylum procedure is very, very difficult. Say they not give them time. Some people they don't already deport them back to Italy. So even Nigeria, they don't deport them back to Nigeria. A lot of news don't do social media concerning this country. You don't ever experience this kind of thing before. So this is what we really want to know. So just to know your opinion, what you got to tell our African brothers, our African sisters right here.
Yeah, all Africa's people over there, and I believe that most of us, if you understand my English, understand. I love to speak Pidgin English. That is my own language. I learn from everywhere I go. I defend myself with Pidgin English. I love to speak out. See, many people when they complain say Germany not good. I want to tell you, if you reason your life, not be today complaint start for your life. You understand? The one when you say Germany good, I'll still talk about that one. Complaint don't start when you won't in Nigeria. You go Libya, even na Libya you pass, go you complain. You dey Italy, and Italy no good. See, come Germany no good. Reason yourself whether not be try tell you. You understand? So complaint don't start one day. You are waiting. You dey look for. You dey look for where you just stay. Everything when you want, you put them for your table. You need money, you put them for your table. Food, put them for your table. Now you want, which you can never get them, even though when you go heaven. You must. Heaven self, you get love. Before you make heaven, you get love. Before you make anything good, you get love. You understand? Germany is a country, every day for country is opportunity for every human being that's living in Deutschland. You don't need to complain about Deutschland. Imagine when you in Nigeria, outside people, your old black country, outside man, you cannot even sleep till cruise down for his car. Or to even marry her. Or if we eat with her. You call her Poki. You call her different name. You go another man country, you want to live comfortable the way you want. You are a greedy person. You have evil heart. Now, you know the year now going Deutschland. The language is the key that open many doors for now. You don't go school. You don't get behind. You don't get anything. They give you the. How do you make use of your everyday that come across you? Ask yourself. How do you pass a day for Deutschland? To gossip, watch whole video. Whole video when you run for Nigeria, and then you see they watch for here. Look yourself now. Whole video, may I tell you, spirit won't follow. If you don't take time, you watch until you get white hair for all over your body. I'm telling you, this is what you run for. But when you reach here, how come you see the walk, talk like them? You see the live like them? You see the think like them? change your memory. Change the weather person. Nobody they disturb you. Thing that you spend time with every day is matter a lot for your life. People you spend time with is very important for your life. People you call is very important for your life. Bible says, if right hand not make you make heaven, cut them. If not friends, when you spend time, they know they contribute to what you're going to be, my God, cut them off away from your life. Stop complaining. Make use of your future. Those people, when you say Jamie good, may I tell you, good thing will never depart from you. You never work for Jamie, so you look back, somebody want to kill you. For what? For what? Why people not talk good about Jamie? Why? Who want to kill you? Where did that for the come? You understand? That is my own opinion for all of it. Try, make use of your thinking. Change your thinking. Everything will be smooth for you. That is my first answer right now. I don't know whether another question will come. You understand? So that is my
Thank you very much, Kedisto. You see, from waiting you they talk, they come just now. They say make people make use of their self.
Yeah.
Some people, they come this country. Some of them they go this language course. Some of them they still try to look for job, but they not give them that working permit. Some of them they go this school, but they still find themselves in a deportation camp, or they still find themselves say, they see they disturb them, say, need they come from this country. Yeah. So, like what's in they talk the comments, you know? So many people they see this country, but they don't go this language school. And some self, they get job, but they don't give them that opportunity to do the work, which is the working permit to do the work. Why some they go to school, but still yet they see they say they come for this country. So waiting you got to talk concerning this one.
Concerning those people when they get work, they don't give the opportunity to work. You understand? Not the question when you ask. What did this kind of people will do? So when Jamie, on one side, you have an opportunity to work. Jamie don't give you permission to work. My brother, I want to tell you one thing. The day when you take asylum, I said Jamie's asylum seeker for Jamie, they tell everyone, here you just take asylum. They may not permit you to stay. It's not me that they want you to stay in Deutschland. This is what they said. Abi, they tell everyone that take asylum here. If they don't tell you, if you say they forget to tell you, they always tell people. More no lie. You know, that opportunity is that if they don't allow you to stay, they don't allow you to work, mean that something wrong somewhere. Whereby, for me, I was thinking that every man have a whole country when he present day. If Jamie don't accept you, it don't mean that any other country will not accept you. You understand? If they tell you later to leave the country, brother, I will advise you to leave the country for them. That is not the end of your life. Do you understand? Leave the country. If they ask you to leave country for them. So when I come to Lampedusa, when they shake me, because I pass Libya, come. Do you understand? So when I come, when they shake me, they tell me, say, you are welcome to Europe. They not say you are welcome to Italy. Do you understand? You have, how many countries they tell us that, forget to travel, to stay. You go to many where they mention.
EU country.
It's going to be many. You know me say, Germany not accept you. You don't get anywhere to accept. Italy not accept me. Germany accept me. So many countries may not accept you because where they accept you, that is where God sends you to stay. Is it me? If everybody come here, they accept everybody. Me that all the whole Nigeria will think they accept all. You know, I just believe one thing. Everybody get your destiny. Everybody get your country. You cannot force somebody to love you. You cannot accept somebody to believe what you talk. You understand me? Those people, when I'm always talking about, is those people, they have an opportunity to stay here 1 year, 6 months, 2 years, without nothing good results come aside. Bro, are you dreaming? Are you sleeping? What did they saw? You even have the police self. How far? You understand? You even check your results self. Baba record for your result. How far? You understand? So now be the issue. You understand? If they permit you, or you have an opportunity to see, or even do negative, or do the one you get them, they never send you letter, say they want to remove you. But you still get opportunity. If you can't see, they can't say, wait for me so time like this. If you don't see, you are not pregnant for white man or white man. My brother, the child, which level? Enter another country, which level? You pass, you move, anywhere when God. See, what I'm not talking about, you will never get rest of mind till you get where to reach. If God sends you to be somewhere, why you want to get rest of mind? People must disturb you. Destiny helper, they don't come to give you bread and tea. They come to disturb you till you get to where you are going. Great brother, that is my answer for that.
So, thank you very much, Kelesto.
Yeah.
One more thing. You said Italy, they reject you.
Yeah.
Germany, they accept you. So that means that you'd already sure for you'd already get stay here for this country.
Yeah,
Germany.
even though overstay safe. Overstay if I have another life. After life, I see they stay, they go. You understand?
Viewers, you can hear.
I see they stay, everlasting stay. You understand?
you can hear from our brother,
if you
from my brother. Yes.
No, you know if you change them. Now we think God don't destiny.
The same.
I so much believe God. Who can change God's story? Nobody. Who can change God say yes? Nobody. Who can change say God no? Nobody. He don't already destiny stay, everlasting stay. You understand? So that's what it be.
So waiting our brother they talk about. See, if you did this country, you don't stay here for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. You know, say all your record and bad record. So they send you letter say, guy, move. They don't give you one, say me you move. So you go try, you go move. That one me say, come up for my house, not me say me you come up for this world, me come up for this life. So it will come happen where they say some people go see they don't want me to move. Until they come pin them for us, carry them come out, they will come begin to cry. So if you make good step for the first time, you move, go Italy, go another country, migrate. At least maybe that place will see favor you tomorrow. Better pass you go back to Nigeria.
Sorry, the money I call for your mouth. I don't call it. You know, Italy is one of the best country I ever see in my eyes. If Jamie Percy can understand what I'm saying, he will see confirm say Italy is a motherland. Some people will just tell Jamie they will just talk bad against Italy. Stop. Italy be like my motherland for me. You get Bali, not get Bali, you become somebody. Never go down where you did come from. Yeah. I love Italy. You understand? Italy safe. They say me you come over. Italy they there. You can stand for somewhere. I beg. Let's go beg now. Never see you go to Italy before you may talk about Italy. Don't try it. Italy is a blessing from God for every one of us. I love Italy, man. Italy people. Thank you so much.
So like our brother they talk now, so he has a lot of experience here. As you can hear, he already talk and say he already gets the Italy reject him, so he can't Jamie favor him. Some people, Italy accept them, you understand, but they say come here, but yeah, still reject them. That is not the end of the world. You can still start from somewhere. So within our brother, they try to talk like what I was, like within I they talk, they come just now. If Jamie say may you move, they don't send you letter, they don't give you dudung. Once they give you dudung, meaning say you are silent procedure, you don't finish for year. You understand?
That do the hope see there.
You don't finish.
They will still send you another letter. Say wait, so time like this.
And once maybe after I don't give you that dudung now, yeah. At least some dudung they say if they give you like 3 months, depends on the city where you dey. So they give you like 3 months, so they go there every 3 months, go there they new. But some city they will be say the fee they give you one month. But if they don't they give you one month, or maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks, or one month. So my brother, my sister.
No, that one say hope CD. As I say you even see get it to one month. Hope day. You know, may I tell you see where I hope day. There is one letter where they even saying for you see. You get one strong letter when Jamie they say wait for them so time they will come pick you. You know if you depart without that letter, you know say.
You see.
So they must send her for you before they carry you. They never carry anybody without that letter.
Yes, so a lot of things there where we need to discuss on this.
Why you see Jamie just go come pick you before?
We'll be bringing to you a lot of things. My brother will always be here with me, Kelly Stone. So we are going to talk.
Stone.
We are going to be talking a lot of things.
Stone when I build that rejected that become a grace.
Apart from that, we'll see try they bring more people in. So now he already get stay for here for Germany. We'll see like see they bring more people. Maybe like people will be say they never see get their stay here for Germany. Maybe they see talk their own experience with it that don't pass through for this country. Meanwhile, a lot of things there, we are still going to be talking about hospital aspects. What you go fit do. If you know say you never get do for your husband, what you need to do will be say you don't fit see the fit allow you stay for this country. Or even though you don't see get do, some people they where they don't get do, they fit see they do hospital if they really get that that permit. So we're still going to be talking about this. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you not subscribe, you not follow me for Facebook, you not go get more video from us. So we are here to lecture ourselves, especially we African people. So that's the reason why we brought to you this program.
Concerning the do not say if you want to hospital.
Yeah.
My guy solution the things that can you change your thinking? You can change your thinking. Everything change. That paper change. Everything change. Say nobody can give you advice better than what you give to yourself. Somebody talk to you. You need to think change your thinking, my brother, my sister. Don't go use your thinking to affect your future. There's different type of future not your thinking. Your future already did it, but your thinking can change your future. You understand? Your thickness, if you can think very well how to build your future, or build them the best way. You understand? Your do not mean say that easy, and you can see change story. Even though when they say send you that later, you can see change on with your thinking. People did when they will help you. Subscribe, me follow this my guy. According to what he say for YouTube.
Thank you very much, Calisto. So we'll be coming to an end to this program. So next time it's always there for me. It's always there. We are together.
Any question? I love when you ask me more questions.
So
I love questions.
Next time we'll just starting up with this video. So we want you guys to subscribe so that you get notification from us. Any video we upload, you get notification. Just subscribe, press the notification button. So if anything is there for you to contribute to this program today, living in Germany. So this program will be bringing to you, living in Germany. So please, this is the first video we are uploading. we just want you guys to subscribe. So we are bringing more video. We just want to make this as an intro for you guys to know that something like this is going on. So you'll join us some other time. We are bringing to you a lot of things you need to know about this country. So he has his own experience here in this country. I have my own experience here in this country. So I will also be bringing my own experience in this country. So there are a lot of things you need to do to keep you going, to keep you going on in this country without these people disturbing you with their deportation issue. So there are a lot of things you need to do. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I want to say a very big thank you to my brother here for joining me here.
Both are for now.
Thank you very much.
For everyone.
Thank you, so some other time we'll meet you up on this program. Thank you very much for joining us once again. My name is Frank Oversity. This platform is just a new platform. It's a newborn baby. Please help us, help the newborn baby to grow up. Please subscribe. See you some other time. Cheers. Peace out.